What's up, YouTube friends and family? Welcome back. So today I have a new EH3 electric nail drill that I'm going to be trying out and reviewing. This brand is called Airsee. They are an Amazon seller. They reached out to me to review this drill, so I was excited to do so. It is lightweight, portable, and it does come with a USB cord as well as sanding bands. The control panel, the on and off button, basically is also the button that you want to use for the forward and reverse speed. So you want to hold that just like not very long, and just tap it kind of and it will reverse it. Also, if you want the speed to start, you need to press the speed either up or down and then press the on button, and that will start the drill. So it comes with sanding bands as well as 6 drill bits, and I really love kits that come with additional products because not everybody, say if you bought this drill by itself and didn't have drill bits, then you're kind of out of luck, right? So that's why I like when they come with extra stuff. But anyways, it does come with a manual and explains everything, how to use it, etc., and what all the different drill bits are used for and what the names of them are as well. So I'm going to get into this set today. I'm going to be doing like a retro, kind of like throwback to y2k kind of vibes. So I'm going to be using a bunch of different colors, which is kind of not my norm. And I'm going to just prep my nails because the last time I did my nails, I just kind of put some clear polish on there. So I'm just going to take that off quickly and then get into this set. But yeah, this drill is Airsee. It's from Amazon. I'll leave the link down below. It's an affordable drill, and I believe this is a good quality drill as well. They do have this drill on the website, and they do have other versions and colors of this drill, so check it out. There's pink, blue, I can't remember the other colors, but I know there's like a variety of colors. So I have like more content coming. I also have a giveaway that I'm going to be doing soon, so make sure you're subscribed and all that good stuff. I like doing pop-up subscriber giveaways to give back to people who are really active on my channel. So if you don't know what a pop-up subscriber giveaway is, it's basically I pick a subscriber who has been super active on my channel, meaning they interact with the questions I ask in my videos, they like and comment like super consistently, like to the point where I cannot not see you. You know what I mean? So I like to give back to people who are really active on my channel because I feel like it's only fair. And yeah. This is going to be like a freestyle set also. I'm kind of just winging it and going with the flow. I'm only doing one side of my hand today because I actually have a lot of things to do tomorrow and I don't want to keep this on. So I'm just going to do the one side and then I can easily pop it off after. As you've seen, the design is very retro and like throwback y2k kind of vibes. And I just really needed some brightness in my life. So that's why I chose to do a colorful set. thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this set and review on the electric EH3 nail drill that I did today from Airsee. Let me know your thoughts and comments. Shout out to all my beautiful, amazing supporters and subscribers, and shout out to the seller for sending me this drill. And until next time, be kind to everyone, including yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one.